guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is all about the menstrual cup, but before that I want to say, if there are any creepy boys waiting for me to show any vagina model, then no, this is not going to happen. But for the girls who are watching me, please don't be ashamed and yes, just watch my video, because I am using this from December 2020 and I am going to share my experience, the everything, the pros, the cons and कैसे मैंने शुरू किया, क्यों शुरू किया, सब कुछ. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So as usual, I am going to share everything from the very basic. So first of all, let's start with the what is menstrual cup. Menstrual cup is basically a thing which we use during our periods. There are so many things in the market. एक तो pads हो गया, tampon हो गया, cloth pads हो गया, and the menstrual cup, I think I belong to those 0.0001% girl who are excited to use the menstrual cup. And मुझे बहुत डर नहीं लग रहा था, मतलब मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी. दैट टाइम द प्राइस वॉज सो हाई, इट वॉज अराउंड 700-800 रुपीज़. सो मैं प्राइस की वजह से नहीं, मतलब खरीदना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, मतलब जैसा होता है डिले होता जाता है. अगर तुम किसी चीज़ को डिले करोगे तो डिले वो हो जाएगा. तो मेरे साथ भी वैसा ही कुछ हुआ, तो मैं डिले करती गई और डिले होता गया. बट I bought this on December 2020 and तब से मैं इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So I am going to share everything about this. First of all, let's learn how to insert the menstrual cup. Well, I am using the Sirona menstrual cup and you can use anything you want, and it's not like you have to buy this one only. I just bought it because I think this was the best seller on Flipkart or Amazon. Maybe मैं भूल चुकी हूँ, मतलब बहुत दिन पहले की बात है. So first of all, let's talk about the packaging. You can see the packaging is very hygienic. Actually, there is everything is mentioned here, like how to use this, why you should use this. They have a proper picture of it, like how to sterilize it, how to insert it, how to remove it, how to empty it, how you should wash it, basically everything you need to know. And when you open the packet, there is a pouch like this, there is a pouch like this, and इसके अंदर होता है, and I mean इसके अंदर menstrual cup होता है, and there is a proper instruction जिसमें लिखा है how to use it and everything with a proper picture. Like you don't need any other source, like मेरा वीडियो बोलो या फिर इंटरनेट में कोई वेबसाइट, यूट्यूब में कोई दूसरा वीडियो बोलो, तुम्हें ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा. So let's see how does it look like. It comes into a packaging like this and you have to open the package, pouch. And the menstrual cup looks like this one. This is in the size small, and there is a size chart on Amazon and Flipkart, और किसी भी ब्रांड की किसी भी menstrual cup में तुम्हें size chart मिल जाएगी. But let me explain how to choose the right size for you. If you are a teenager or if you are the first time user, then you should go for the small size. If you are married and you have a kids, or if you are physically active, you should use the larger size. But if you are neither a teenager nor a woman who is sexually active, then you should go for the medium size. So I hope I am able to clear your doubts about the size thing. So now let's talk about how to insert it. And you have to insert the menstrual cup by folding, and by folding I don't mean that इसको ऐसे लेके ऐसे फोल्ड करके नहीं, इसको ऐसे फोल्ड नहीं करना है. Personally, I like the punch down fold. For the punch down fold, you have to take the menstrual cup and then just take your finger like this and इसको ऐसे अंदर कर दो and बस हो जाएगा. पंच डाउन फोल्ड। एंड फोल्ड करना जितना इजी है, इंसर्ट करना भी उतना ही इजी। ट्रस्ट मी, यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्राई इट वंस। आई मीन एक बार अगर इंसर्ट करके रिमूव कर दिया, उसके बाद तुम्हारा जो डर है, जो कुछ भी है, मतलब इनसिक्योरिटी का हो, डर का हो, या फिर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, तो सब कुछ पहली बार इस्तेमाल करने के बाद ही ठीक हो जाएगा। लेट मी शो यू हाउ टू insert it. Just assume this is your vagina and you have done a punch down fold. So if this is your vagina, you have to insert it like this. Like you have to insert it like this and see, अंदर जाते ही ये पूरा का पूरा ओपन हो जाता है। एंड यस, नो लीकेज का कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ऑर्डर का भी कोई टेंशन नहीं है। इतना ही इजी है इसको इंसर्ट करना। लेकिन हाँ, पहली बार में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा, शायद आप पहली बार में इसको इंसर्ट ना कर पाओ। एंड if you are not able to insert it on the first try, then please try it once again. There are so many benefits of using a menstrual cup. First of all, no odor, no leakage, no rashes, no itchiness. You can do whatever you want to do. You can do dancing and any physical activity. There will be no problem. Yoga, कराटे, जो कुछ भी है, मतलब जो कुछ भी तुम करते हो ना ऐसे एक नॉर्मल दिन में, तुम वो सब कुछ कर पाओगे विदाउट एनी वरी, विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम। बट हाँ, फर्स्ट टाइम में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होगा, बट डोंट lose your hope. But yes, there are some problem. The problem is that first of all थोड़ा सा लीकेज होता है। Listen to me very carefully. And I am not spreading a negativity, or I am not doing a negative review here. So please listen to me why I said that. On the first and second day, most of the girls face heavy flow, and at that time you should remove it after 3 or 4 hours. And if you see कि 3-4 घंटे अगर तुम यूज़ कर रहे हो तो वो फुल हो जा रहा है and you are facing a leakage, then please remove it after 1 or 2 hours. But sometimes what happen, the menstrual cup don't pop up inside your vagina. I am showing you how. Let's assume this is your vagina and this is a menstrual cup, and I am trying to insert it into the vagina, and see, I am inserting it, but अंदर से तुमको शायद ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये पूरा इंसर्ट हो गया है, बट अंदर से इट्स नॉट टोटली pop up, and that time leakage happen. So my tips for this problem is that insert it, then after 5 or 10 minutes check that if you are facing leakage. If you are facing leakage, that means that the menstrual cup is not inserted properly, and then again remove it and then insert it. And also the best position for insert and remove the menstrual cup is the squat position. Yes, the squat position works better for both the insert and remove. The last thing is that how to wash it. I personally use the Sunfree menstrual cup wash, and I also use hot water. Let me tell you how. On the first day, I wash the menstrual cup with this wash, and this is just a liquid based wash. You can see, yes, this is just like a liquid. You just have to take 2 or 3 drops on the menstrual cup and then wash it properly. And during my periods I use hot water. I just take a mug of hot water and dip my menstrual cup into that for 5 to 10 minutes, and it's actually depends, 5 to 10 minutes तो हो जाता है, and then I again use it. And on the last day of my periods, again I use this menstrual cup, and then I wash my menstrual cup, and then I ऐसे ही इसको पाउच के अंदर रख के इसको रख देती हूँ नेक्स्ट यूज़ के लिए. So this was all, and yes, I'm going to share my experience. So my experience with the menstrual cup was very okay. There are no odor, there are no leakage issue. I mean, yes, there are leakage issue if you are facing a heavy flow and you are using it for a very long time. I mean 5-6 घंटे से ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हो only then. only then you will feel leakage issue if you insert it properly. अगर ठीक से इंसर्ट कर लिया और लीक और इतना ज़्यादा हेवी फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है तो 5-6 घंटा तो आराम से बीत जाएगा यार. It's actually very comfortable. You won't feel that you have something in your body. Yes, this is that much comfortable. So I encourage all the girls to use menstrual cup. Big pads में थोड़ा सा itching, rash ये सब तो हो जाता है. So please try it once. I know you guys are scared, you guys are a little bit insecure. या थोड़ा सा डर लगता है, सबको लगता है, मुझे पता है, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगा. I don't know why. But please use it. मतलब एक बार यूज़ कर लो, उसके बाद ज़िंदगी में शायद कभी भी पैड्स यूज़ नहीं करना चाहोगे. दिस इज़ दैट मच comfortable. So that was my today's video guys. I hope you guys really liked it. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. And yes, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and yes, tada.